friends, so this video shows how to connect Android phone to smart TV, then share phone screen with smart TV so we can play games and videos. So we can play in full screen. So I will show you how we can configure this. First we need to connect our mobile phone and smart TV to same Wi-Fi network. So in your smart TV, just go to the network, then select wireless connection, then select the Wi-Fi network which you want to connect. In my case it is my Wi-Fi. Then enter the password, then save it. You can see it's connecting. Okay, connected, done. In your mobile phone, go to settings, tap on settings, then tap on Wi-Fi, then from available networks you have to select the Wi-Fi network. You have to select the same Wi-Fi network which you connected to your smart TV. So in my case this is my Wi-Fi. Tap on that and enter the password. Tap on connect. Okay, it's connected. You can see Wi-Fi as connected to my Wi-Fi network. Then again go to settings, then tap on more, tap on wireless display, then turn on wireless display. Tap on wireless display, so we can turn it on. So now we turned on wireless display. Then in your smart TV, open Miracast app. So you can see Miracast app here. Open this Miracast app. Okay, you can see it's waiting for the user to connect. Launch wireless display on your device. Now in your mobile phone you would be able to see the name of your smart TV. You can see smart TV. Tap on that. You can see it's connecting. Okay, connected. So this way we can share your mobile screen with your smart TV and you can play games and videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.